In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up radar fraud protection. To get started, head over to the Stripe website using your preferred web browser. Once you're on the home page, locate the Sign In button in the upper right corner and click on it. On the Sign In page, enter your account credentials and click Sign In to access your Stripe dashboard. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to the Home dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, locate the Payments tab. Click on Payments to open the section where transaction-related settings and tools are available. Within the Payments area, find and select Radar. This will take you to the Radar section where fraud protection settings can be managed. After opening Radar, look for the Rules option and click on it. This section contains the available rule settings that can be adjusted and enabled. Once you're in the Rules area, scroll down until you reach the Block Rules section. Continue scrolling as needed until the section is visible on your screen. In the Block Rules section, review the available rules. To access additional settings, locate the three-dot menu associated with the Block Rules area and click on it. After clicking the three-dot menu, additional options and settings will appear. Use these options to select the settings you want to apply. Once you have made your selections, look for the option to enable the chosen settings. Click the Enable option to activate the rules you selected. After enabling the settings, review the rules to confirm that your selections have been applied. If necessary, use the available options in the Rules section to make adjustments before saving or enabling additional settings. Continue reviewing the available block rule options and apply the settings that match your requirements. The three-dot menu can be used whenever you need to access additional rule controls and configuration options. When all desired settings have been enabled, the Radar configuration process is complete. The selected fraud protection rules will remain active within the Radar section of your Stripe account. You can return to the Radar area at any time to review your current settings, modify existing rules, or enable additional options. Simply navigate back to Payments, select Radar, open the Rules section, and access the block rules whenever changes are needed. With the rules selected and enabled, your Radar fraud protection setup is complete. And that's how to set up Radar fraud protection in Stripe. Thank you for watching.